Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Guard.
So, based on the information you provided, Gwada Negative is actually the name of a newly discovered ultra-rare blood group. It was identified in a woman from Guadeloupe. By the way, Gwada is just a casual way people refer to Guadeloupe. Alright, here's what we know, and why this discovery is so significant. First, it was found in a patient in Guadeloupe, which is in the French Caribbean. Researchers figured it out after she had a severe reaction to a blood transfusion, which suggested her blood was missing a previously unknown antigen. This is a new blood group system, and honestly, it's likely the 45th or 46th to be recognized by the International Society of Blood Transfusion. It really highlights the genetic diversity in blood antigens, especially in populations that haven't been studied much, like those in the Caribbean. Right now, only one person is known to have this blood type. Scientists are, urgently searching for others who might carry it. Maybe relatives or people from the same region, to study its genetics and figure out how common it actually is. There are some serious risks here. For transfusions, people with Gwada negative blood might reject standard donor blood, which can cause life-threatening reactions. And during pregnancy, if a mother doesn't have this antigen but her baby does, it could lead to hemolytic disease in newborns, kind of like what happens with Rh disease. So identifying other carriers is honestly critical to create a safe donor registry for any future emergencies. Most people, are familiar with the ABO and Rh blood groups, like O negative. But actually, there are more than 44 other blood group systems, such as Kell, Duffy, and Kidd. New blood group systems are usually discovered when a patient's immune system reacts to an unknown antigen in transfused blood or sometimes during pregnancy. The most recent new blood group system, called was confirmed in 2022. Gwada negative could perhaps be the next one discovered. Extreme rarity. Unless you have, familial ties to Guadeloupe, or maybe you've experienced some unexplained transfusion reactions, your risk of having this blood type is, pretty much near zero. If you're from the Caribbean, especially Guadeloupe, and you've donated blood, it's a good idea to ask your blood bank if you were screened for rare antigens. Donors are really needed. If others are found with Gwada negative, they'll be urged to donate blood so it can be stored in rare donor registries. So here's what researchers will do. First, they'll sequence the woman's DNA to identify the gene responsible. Then, they'll test her relatives and other residents of Guadeloupe. Finally, they'll work on officially naming the antigen or system, maybe something like GWD or GWA. To track updates, you can search for Guadeloupe blood group or new blood group Gwada negative in scientific journals, like, for example, Blood or Transfusion. This discovery is a powerful reminder that human biology still holds surprises, especially in diverse populations that have often been left out of medical research. And if you're from the region, please consider participating in blood research if you get the chance.
Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay curious.
Thank you.